this video, we'll learn about rules of using semicolon with examples. What is a semicolon? A semicolon is a punctuation mark that separates two main clauses in a single sentence. It indicates a closer connection between the clauses than a period could provide. For example, I have a big test tomorrow. I can't go out tonight. Semicolons are also used between the items in a series or list, especially when the items contain internal punctuation. Rules for using the semicolon. Rule number 1, connect independent clauses. One of the most common uses of the semicolon is to join two related independent clauses in one sentence. Examples. The package was supposed to arrive today. It seems to be delayed at the warehouse. I wanted to make the volleyball team. However, I missed tryouts due to illness. The weather has been dreary for days. As a result, many people are feeling down. Guidelines. Use a semicolon only between independent clauses, complete sentences. Do not use a semicolon between entirely unrelated ideas. Rule number 2, separate clauses containing commas. Another use of the semicolon is to clarify connections between the clauses when commas are already present. However, relying solely on commas could create confusion in these cases. Examples. The conference speakers included educators from Austin, Texas, Denver, Colorado, and Chicago, Illinois. I need to stop by the grocery store, the library, and the gas station this afternoon. For breakfast, I'm having an omelet with peppers, onions, and cheese, fruit salad, and coffee. Guidelines. Semicolons prevent ambiguity when commas are already separating items within a clause. Use semicolons to divide larger sentence segments. Commas alone may not provide enough separation between clauses. Rule number 3, introduce a list. The semicolon helps to clearly introduce a list after a phrase or clause. This is another useful application of the versatile semicolon. Examples. I have several things to accomplish today. Submit my project report, update the client records, and organize the documents. There are 3 options available. Adopt the proposal as is, amend certain sections, or reject it entirely. We can customize your order in several ways, by adding monogramming, adjusting the color, or increasing the quantity. Guidelines. A semicolon creates a natural pause after the introductory segment. Use a colon if the lead-in directly announces the list. Commas work for simple introductions without internal punctuation. Rule number 4, separate list items with commas. When items in a list or series already contain commas, use semicolons between each item to avoid confusion. Examples. The instructions require nails, screws and adhesives, wood putty, painter's tape, and 120 grit sandpaper. For tonight's dinner, we're having Greek salad with feta cheese, black olives and dressing, roasted salmon with lemon and herbs, and chocolate mousse for dessert. Guidelines. Semicolons clarify separation of complex list items. Commas alone may create an unwieldy, dense list. Consistent punctuation promotes readability. Rule number 5, use semicolons with conjunctive adverbs. When a conjunctive adverb like moreover, therefore, or consequently is connected with 2 independent clauses, the semicolon is used. Examples. I wanted to make a good impression. However, I showed up 30 minutes late to the interview. The budget proposal does not cut social services. Rather, it increases funding for many programs. We could go hiking this weekend. Unfortunately, the weather forecast predicts heavy rain. Guidelines. Semicolons combine well with conjunctive adverbs between independent clauses. Avoid overusing conjunctive adverbs. They can sound redundant. Be sure the word is connecting 2 complete sentences.